Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to get PatPat kids and baby clothing application in your device. So this is really gonna easy and short tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you'll learn how to do this. So you can see the rating of the app 4.5 out of 5. So when you get any app, the app is more than 4, we consider that the app is really amazing. And 153k reviews, it means 153,000 people rate something about this app. So you can see the size of the app, 79 megabyte, and 10 million plus people already download this app. So global online kids and family clothing brand, so it's all about kids and family clothing. So if you are looking for such kind of product, then this is perfect app for you. So what you need to do to get this application in your device, simply tap on the install button. So it takes few time to install in your device. Okay, so okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please let me know in comment below. I'll try to give you the solution video in upcoming tutorial. So today is no more, and thank you for watching.